Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on Trust Wallet. So if you want to enable dark mode on Trust Wallet, here's how you can get it done. Just open the Trust Wallet app on your phone, then you input your passcode or your Face ID. Once you do that, then you have to bring down your control center from your phone, then you switch from your light mode to dark mode. Then if you went back to the app, you notice that the app has automatically changed to dark mode. The reason is that Trust Wallet does not have a specific option where you can switch the mode for both baby light or dark. So what it does is that it automatically emulates the option for the system settings on your phone. So if your phone is on light mode, you switch to light mode, and if your phone is on dark mode, then it's automatically switched to dark mode. So I'm just going to repeat this option again. So I'm going to change this to dark mode again. Then my Trust Wallet will also automatically check itself from the dark mode option to light mode, and that's it. Find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.